Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a powerful message to share with you all. A good life needs some bad days too, so get up and keep going. Life is a roller coaster of ups and downs. We all experience challenging days that test our strength and resilience. But remember, it's okay to have bad days. They are a part of the journey towards a fulfilling life. It's during these tough times that we learn and grow the most. Adversity builds character and teaches us valuable lessons that shape our future. So, don't be disheartened by the bad days. Embrace them as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Every experience, whether uplifting or challenging, shapes your character. Embracing both the good and bad moments allows you to appreciate life's full spectrum. Perseverance is crucial in navigating life's challenges. It's the inner strength that will keep you moving forward despite obstacles. Without perseverance, even small setbacks could deter you from achieving your goals and dreams. Life is a blend of good and bad days. The contrast between these moments helps you recognize and cherish the good times. Accepting this duality fosters a balanced perspective on life's unpredictable nature. Bad days are an inevitable part of the human experience. They remind you that life isn't always smooth sailing. Acknowledging their inevitability will help you prepare mentally and emotionally for when they occur. Adversity offers valuable lessons that can't be learned through success alone. It teaches you about your limits, strengths, and areas for growth. By facing challenges head-on, you will gain insights that pave the way for future success. Challenges in life serve as essential catalysts for building resilience. Each obstacle faced and overcome strengthens your ability to handle future difficulties. Resilience becomes a skill honed through experience, enabling you to navigate life's unpredictable nature with greater confidence. Perspective plays a crucial role in overcoming bad days. By shifting your focus from problems to potential solutions, you empower yourself to find silver linings. This mental adjustment can transform a seemingly insurmountable day into a learning opportunity. Finding strength in struggles often involves recognizing your inner fortitude. Difficult times reveal a wellspring of resilience and courage you might not have known existed. Embracing these moments will help you emerge stronger and more self-assured. Positivity is a powerful tool against adversity. A positive mindset fosters hope and optimism, even during the darkest times. By consciously choosing to see the brighter side, you create a mental environment conducive to overcoming challenges. Bad days can serve as powerful motivators. They push you to strive for improvement and seek better outcomes. Using these tough moments as fuel, you can channel your energy into personal growth and self-improvement, turning setbacks into stepping stones. Embracing imperfection means accepting and valuing yourself exactly as you are. It's about recognizing that flaws and mistakes are part of the human experience, allowing you to grow, connect deeply with others, and foster genuine self-love. Practicing self-compassion involves treating yourself with kindness during difficult times. By acknowledging your struggles without judgment, you build emotional resilience and create a nurturing inner dialogue that helps you move forward, even when life feels overwhelming. Overcoming tough times requires practical strategies. Establishing a routine, setting achievable goals, and engaging in physical activity can provide you with structure and stability. These actions help you regain control, making challenges feel more manageable and less daunting. Support systems play a crucial role in navigating hardships. Friends, family, and community will offer you emotional support, perspective, and encouragement. Leaning on loved ones not only provides comfort, but also strengthens your bonds, reminding you that you are not alone. Failure and success are deeply interconnected. Experiencing setbacks teaches valuable lessons that pave the way for future achievements. Each failure is an opportunity to learn, adapt, and grow, ultimately leading you closer to our goals and success. Further, every failed attempt provides lessons that pave the way to success. Embracing failure as a part of the journey fosters growth and resilience, turning setbacks into invaluable learning experiences. Bad days can cultivate a deep sense of gratitude. When you encounter struggles, become more appreciative of good moments. These contrasting experiences highlight the beauty of life's highs, fostering a grateful mindset. Bad days also play a crucial role in personal growth, pushing you to confront your limitations and build resilience. These challenges teach you valuable lessons, enabling you to evolve, become stronger, and more empathetic over time. Emotional balance involves accepting all emotions without judgment. Acknowledging both positive and negative feelings will allow you to process them healthily. This acceptance fosters emotional resilience, helping you to navigate life's inevitable ups and downs. Short-term struggles offer long-term benefits. Challenges build character, resilience, and problem-solving skills. By facing difficulties head-on, you will develop a stronger, more adaptable mindset, better equipped to handle future obstacles with grace and confidence. The journey holds more significance than the destination. Embracing the process, with its highs and lows, will enrich your life. Each step, whether successful or not, contributes to your growth, making the journey itself a valuable experience. Coping mechanisms are essential for navigating tough times. Techniques such as deep breathing, journaling, or engaging in hobbies can provide relief and mental clarity. These practices help you manage stress, regain balance, and face adversity head-on. Inspirational stories of overcoming adversity remind us that we are not alone in our struggles. These narratives offer hope and motivation, demonstrating that resilience and determination can lead to triumph, even in the darkest moments. Practicing mindfulness during difficult times will help you stay present and grounded. By focusing on the here and now, you can better manage your emotions and reduce anxiety, ultimately fostering a sense of inner peace and stability. Routine and stability become vital when facing challenges. Establishing daily habits and sticking to a schedule provide a sense of normalcy and control. This structure can help you to navigate turbulent periods with greater ease and confidence. Staying active can significantly boost mental health, especially on tough days. Physical exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, helping reduce stress and anxiety. Even a brief walk or stretching session can make a difference. Engaging in creative activities can be a powerful outlet during difficult times. Whether it's painting, writing, or playing music, creativity allows you to express emotions constructively. It can provide a sense of accomplishment and distraction. Setting small, achievable goals can be incredibly effective when facing challenges. Each goal met, no matter how minor, reinforces a sense of progress and capability. This approach helps break down overwhelming tasks into manageable steps. Celebrating small wins is essential for maintaining motivation and positivity. Acknowledging these victories, however minor, can provide a much-needed morale boost. It reminds you that progress is being made, even on the hardest days. Embracing the full spectrum of life means recognizing that both good and bad experiences contribute to personal growth. Accepting life's imperfections allows for a more balanced perspective, fostering resilience and a deeper appreciation for the journey. When life knocks you down, remember to get back up, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward. Every setback is a stepping stone towards success. Stay positive, stay resilient, and keep pushing through the tough times. Surround yourself with positivity, practice self-care, and lean on your support system during challenging days. Remember, you are stronger than you think, and you have the power to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. So, dear friends, embrace the ups and downs of life, for they are what make the journey worthwhile. Keep your head held high, stay resilient, and remember that a good life needs some bad days too. Together, we can conquer any challenge that comes our way. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more motivational videos. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe.